Introducing the 2021 Skoda Kodiaq 7S AMB 1.5 spacious with 150 horsepower, 5 doors, and a sleek white exterior. This beast of a vehicle is equipped with top-of-the-line features, including air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and much more. With a spacious interior boasting third-row seats, cup holders, and luxury trim, comfort is never compromised. Safety is a top priority, with ABS, parking assistance, and anti-collision system features. The stylish design includes chrome package, roof rails, and privacy glass. Rest assured, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional offer. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information. Drive in style and safety with the Skoda Kodiaq.